सो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जॉय फूड एंड ट्रैवलर। आज हम एक गेफे लिस्ट वांडरिंग करने निकले, मैं और मेहुल।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स।
Actually, we were feeling lazy today and we thought we shall go somewhere, and I'm at Rosenheim. So this place is very near to Rosenheim and we saw there is a waterfall nearby and we thought to give a try. Today weather is really rainy and this place is around 30 kilometers from Rosenheim and you can see it's rain all the day. And yeah, the route is not that difficult, it's medium and it's like approximately 1 hour from where we park car. And you can see water is also coming from there. It is going to be interesting wandering today. Yeah, and yeah, so we can hear some sound of water. So this is from 1920 to 1927. Wild ban, it's called jungle ban, jungle train to carry this wood from one place to another place. So here they put all information from where to where it's go. So we are at number 6 here, Doppel Trek. So you can see we were somewhere at that point and now approximately 100 or 200 meter up. And yeah, we are continuously walking through this forest area and it feels really good. Yeah, we have to keep going. So another bridge and viewpoint. And water is going somewhere down. So if you can see small, very far, there is a waterfall. I think that one is the Josefsthaler Waterfall, and here also you can see. So we are going in that direction. Oh, waterfall sound is getting bigger and bigger. So actually we are taking shortcut to reach to that water spring, and it's really slow. You can see Meul is struggling. waterfall is really amazing. It's really cool. So small spring is also coming from there, and this is the main one. And we are trying to go near to that fall.
एवढी नाही आता समजा.
So I can't resist myself to take video because it's really awesome place, and I just keep filming this place again and again. So this is the waterfall. Maybe we can go in middle. Actually, I'm also working on this stone.
So if you come from short way, like 15 minutes from the parking, then this will be your route. Actually we come from long way, so we are going back to the short way, but it's really nice if you are coming with family and children. In really summer days they can bath here. It will be really good one day picnic for you.
So Mehul was trying to give some vlogging with me. Yeah, and now it's look like we are getting separate from this route. So I will put all this information, like there are two parking way, and if you want to do medium hiking, then which parking it's suitable for you, and if you want to do the easy parking with family, then which one is suitable for you. So kindly check my description box. And yeah, so we are almost at the down, and this house we saw from the up. It looks really good. And yeah, finally forest is over, and I think our wandering is over too. So thank you very much guys to joining me, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then see you in next video. Bye bye. So Mehul, bye bye.
Bye bye guys.